Ever wondered how the seemingly random bits of information in our daily lives drive decisions of immense importance? The answer lies in the intricate world of data science. Firstly, think of data science as a journey, and the first step of this journey is data collection. It is about gathering relevant and diverse data from a plethora of sources, such as databases, APIs, sensors, social media, and more. Quality and diversity in data lay the foundation for accurate analyses. The second step is data cleaning and pre-processing. Raw data is seldom ready for use. It often contains errors, inconsistencies, and missing values. To prepare data for analysis, it is cleaned, pre-processed, and transformed into suitable formats. A clean, complete dataset is the cornerstone of reliable analysis. The third step in the journey is exploratory data analysis, or EDA. It is like a first date with your data. You use descriptive statistics and visualizations to understand patterns, distributions, and anomalies within the dataset. It's about knowing your data before taking the next step. Step 4 is feature engineering. This involves selecting, creating, or transforming variables within the dataset to improve the performance of machine learning models. It's about using domain knowledge and creativity to extract relevant information from the data. Step 5 is an exciting one. It's machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence and involves developing algorithms that can learn patterns from data to make predictions or decisions. From supervised learning to unsupervised and reinforcement learning, this step is all about teaching machines to learn. The next step is model training and evaluation. Models are trained using a portion of the data and then evaluated on another portion. This process ensures the models can generalize well to new, unseen data. The performance of these models is gauged using metrics such as accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. Step 7 is model deployment. After the models are trained and evaluated, the successful ones are deployed into production environments, where they can make real-time predictions or decisions. Scalability, performance, and monitoring are key considerations at this stage. Step 8, data visualization, is all about presenting complex insights in a clear and understandable manner. Tools like charts, graphs, heat maps, and interactive dashboards help communicate findings effectively. Finally, there's the world of big data and cloud computing. As data volume grows, big data technologies and cloud platforms become increasingly important for storing, processing, and analyzing large data sets. In summary, data science is an interdisciplinary field that involves a series of steps from data collection to model deployment. Each step plays a vital role in converting raw data into valuable insights, driving informed decisions across various domains. Remember, data science isn't just about numbers and algorithms, it's about transforming data into knowledge and action.